Gotta put this on film for posterity this time. Geeko cam on. Oh, oh. Is that this thing that's smelling like gas? Or somebody's fueling? Here we go. What do we got?
Yep.
Helps. Alright, easy does it on this fence. Left, right, up, down, right, left. Looks good. Thank you. Whoa, helicopter, I see him.
You're one of the Coast Guard guys. On this pass?
Might as well.
We will be on this pass.
Right.
Half roll on the down line. Teardrop.
On center further down, upwind. Yeah. I like going this way better.
Hammerhead. Cuban 8, the left end. Shark's Tooth, half Shark's Tooth at the right end. That's vertical. Okay, Immelman.
Oh, my wheel pan's done.
You got it, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Next 2 turn positive spin. Okay, don't start yet. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Yeah.
Speed it a little up elevator. There you go, spin. Out of the box.
Now, which should I land it or be fine? Okay. Oh, there it goes.
Fall up.
Yeah. I hope it wasn't the wheel too. I'm feeling it like that.
Sure, it's just the wheel.
All right. Ready? Why? Yeah. The wheel's about to go. Wheel's about to go. Thanks. Thanks, Cody. Thanks, Judge. What's that? Almost. You see it? I thought it went out there. I said, oh, great. About 2 vibrations from going. Yeah. Well, the wheel's almost up. What happened, guys? Really? The stakes came out? Yeah. Did it break? Oh, okay. Thanks, I staked it.
Yeah. Okay, go pick up the,
Thanks.
Did you lose something?
Yeah, I lost the pant and almost the wheel. Do you like my one-wheel landing? I saw that as I was rotating, I was flaring. I said the things like this. Well, I said, "Oh no!" So I did one wheel.
Yeah, at least it was there.
Yeah, I thought it had gone with the